Guys, we got my man Zach's 250 here, standing tall and proud in that candy apple red, just looking slick. So let's check it out. So guys, this is our basic 250 here. Comes on skids. He did upgrade that paint package. Normally we do a patina. He got the candy apple red paint, came out slick. Always looks good on these pits. So we've got 2 sliding trays here, 3 grates in the bottom. The bottom grates are removable. You got a 1.5 inch ball valve grease drain. Guys, we go all out on our skid fabrication here. All 3-dimensional fabricated parts, really looks slick. Coming out of the firebox, we did his logo in stainless steel, riveted that on the side. We'll open up this beefy firebox here. 3/8 stick pipe on the inside, wrapped with insulation. The door's insulated, front of it's insulated as well. Holds heat great, makes it run like a dream. So guys, that is our basic 250 package. Starts at $7,500. Gets you this setup right here. You're gonna add a little extra on that custom paint. But y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.